guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing Day in the Life of the Dog Part 2. So I did this like way down below my channel. So if you want to see it, yeah, like you have to scroll down a lot. But anyways, so today's shout out goes to my cousin Carmen. Okay? And yeah, so let's get started. It's Lance again. Woo! So, I'm gonna show you what else I have to do in my life. So, one thing about being a dog is you're always hungry and thirsty. But your owners don't always give you food. So sad. Yeah, I always like sitting down. This is like my hobby, just sitting down. I'm very curious and thirsty. I must drink water. So as you can tell, Lance is very thirsty. And that's what he thinks about being a dog, about being thirsty. So, yeah. Oh, he's on his bed now. Yep, I'm always tired. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And remember, if you want to get a shout out, comment down below GK Club. And you could get a shout out. So, like my cousin. Bye.